Well, hey everybody, Daniel here. Hey, I'm going to do a video today on slackline logging whistle signals based on the WAC code that you can find online by typing in slackline logging whistle signals. You can find this in every L&I manual out there. You can also find it on the AG safety database and in the Washington logging practices guide. And I guess I'm going to get started. So this is a Talkie Tutor transmitter. It has a NiCad battery inside with a mercury switch. There's a microphone on the end for talking to the yard engineer. And this little spring here, how this works is in the downward position. There's a magnet on the back side. You press and hold like so, and you can talk to the yard engineer through the microphone on the bottom. If you hold it up, you get whistles. Now there's a nylon belt here. It's worn on your side. I prefer to wear it on my left. Some people prefer to wear it on their right. It doesn't matter. Whatever's comfortable for you. And I'll start off with whistles. So first cable up, when road has been changed and tail hold made fast, is going to sound like this. 2, 2, 2, and 1. To drop the skyline, it's going to sound like this. 2, 2, and 2. To stop any moving line is going to be 1. When you're logging and you want the skyline slacked, and give a long. To go ahead on skyline, it's going to sound like this. Ahead easy on skyline, long and too short. Ahead on skidding line, holding haul back, is going to sound like this. Ahead easy on skidding line with slack haul back is going to sound like this. 3 and 3. To slack the skidding line, it's going to be 4, short. Ahead easy on haul back with slack skidding line is going to sound like this. 2, 2, 2, and 2. Ahead on haul back, 2 and 2. To slack the haul back, 2, 2, and 4. To pick up the skyline and skid is going to sound like this. 2 and 3. To pick up the skyline and skin is going to be 2, 2, and 2. When the carriage is in and straw line back on haul back, 3 and 1. When the carriage is in and straw line back on carriage, 3, 1, and 2. When the straw line is out and you want to go ahead on straw line, 3 and 1. For a tight line, it's going to sound like this. 3 and 2. To slack the straw line is going to sound like this. 3, 1, and 4. To pull easy on straw line, 3, 1, and 3. To go ahead on transfer, it's going to be too long. To slack the transfer is going to sound like this. 2 long and 4 short. So here's one for you. When the carriage is in and you want the transfer back on the carriage, it's going to sound like this. 2 long, 2 short, 2 short. When the carriage is in and you want, let's say, 4 coils back, it's going to sound like this. A long and 4 short. When the carriage is in and you want 4 chokers back, it's going to sound like this. 2, 2, and 1 plus 4 shorts. When the carriage is in and you want it inspected or the rigging repaired and sent back, it's going to sound like this. When the carriage is in and you want the haul back slacked and to hold all lines until one short is blown, it's going to sound like this. 2, 2, and 4. When you want everything sent back, give them 1. When the carriage is in and you want to send back powder, I'm assuming that means powder for blowing holes under large logs for choker holes, it's going to sound like this. A tail rigger is 5 medium. Tail rigger in that crew is 5 medium, 4 short. The head hooker is 3 medium. Second hooker in that crew is 3 and 4. Climber is 5 long. The foreman is 4 long. And to start or stop work is long and short. For person injured, call transportation and stretcher is going to sound like this. 7 long, 2 short. And for a fire, it's going to sound like this. Long and a short repeated. And so there you go. Those are the whistle signals for a slackline logging operation. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I have putting it out. And if you've got any questions, feel free to jump in the comments down below. Check out my top subscriptions on my main page. I've got plenty of people in there that are real knowledgeable about cable logging and also ground-based logging, and you would absolutely love to see their videos. They're a hoot. So check them all out, subscribe to them, and hit the bell on the end. I have fun doing this. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Take care. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching. Bye now.